Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture from page number 167, constructing triangles. A triangle has 6 components, 3 sides and 3 angles. Different kinds of triangles have different names according to its size. Equilateral triangle, scalene and isosceles triangle. According to its angle, acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. A triangle can be uniquely determined when 3 side independent components are known. When 3 independent components known. Constructing triangle given the length of 3 sides. Example 14, construct triangle ABC with the following sides. Suppose BC is equal to A centimeter and C is equal to B centimeter and AB is equal to C centimeter. Step of construction, draw BC is equal to A centimeter and step 2 with the C as the center, draw an arc with the radius B centimeter. With the step 3 with the B as the center, draw an arc with a radius C centimeter so that it cuts the previous arc at A. And step 4, join A to B and C. And step 4, join AB to C. Triangle ABC is required triangle. Constructing triangle given the length of 2 sides and the size of includes angles. Example 15, construct triangle ABC with the following. Measure BC is equal to A centimeter, measure CA is equal to B centimeter and the include angle, measure angle BCA is equal to C degree. Step of construction. Step 1, draw BC is equal to A centimeter. Step 2, at point C draw and measure angle BCY is equal to C degree. And the step 3 with the C as a center and arc with the radius B centimeter to cut CY at A. Step 4, join A to B. Triangle ABC is required triangle. Constructing a triangle given the length of one side and the size of the angles on that side. Example 16, construct triangle ABC with the following. Measure BC is equal to A centimeter, measure angle B and angle C are the two base angle. Step of construction, draw measure BC is equal to A centimeter. Step 2, using a protractor, draw measure angle YBC is equal to B at point B. And step 3, using a protractor, draw measure angle XCB is equal to C degree at point C. Step 4, produce the arm of angle B and angle C meet at A. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Construct a right angle triangle when the length of the side, opposite sides, opposite right angle are given. आपको लास्ट टाइम पीछे राइट ट्राइंगल ड्रा करनी सिखाई जा चुकी है, तो तमाम स्टूडेंट से ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि उसको आप फॉलो करें और इजीली यू कैन बी ड्रा दिस.